I'm Henry, and we've got some muscle car news that's sure to get your heart pumping. Dodge has just announced a major shakeup for the 2026 Durango lineup, and it's all about bringing back the thunder of V8 power. For 2026, Dodge is making a bold statement. The entire Durango lineup will be powered exclusively by V8 engines. That's right, they're dropping the V6 entirely from consumer models and going full throttle with HEMI power across the board. Let's break down what this means for each trim level. The base GT trim is getting a serious upgrade. Gone is the 3.6-liter Pentastar V-6 that produced 295 horsepower. In its place, the legendary 5.7-liter HEMI V-8, cranking out 360 horsepower and 390 pound-feet of torque. That's an extra 65 horses and a whopping 130 additional pound-feet of torque. Dodge says this cuts the GT's 0 to 60 time from 7.4 seconds down to just 6.2 seconds. Moving up to the RT, we see another significant boost. The 5.7-liter HEMI makes way for the more powerful 6.4-liter 392 HEMI V8. This beast pumps out 475 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. That's 115 more horses and 80 additional pound-feet compared to the outgoing setup. And at the top of the food chain, the SRT Hellcat continues its reign of terror with the supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8, delivering a face-melting 710 horsepower and 645 pound-feet of torque. Dodge claims it'll rocket from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds and top out at 180 miles per hour. The Hellcat also gains a new Jailbreak edition for 2026, offering customers even more customization options and color choices. Now this move represents a significant shift in Dodge's strategy. The automaker had been transitioning toward their newer Hurricane inline-six engines as part of broader industry emissions compliance efforts. However, with changes in federal emissions regulations under the current administration, Dodge is doubling down on what made them famous: pure, unadulterated V8 power. This decision aligns with Dodge's long-live the V8 philosophy, and it's clearly resonating with their performance-focused customer base. Let's talk numbers. The 2026 Durango GT will start at $44,490. That's a $4,000 increase from the previous year, but you're getting significantly more power for that premium. The RT holds steady at $51,990, the same as 2025 pricing. And here's a surprise. The range-topping Hellcat actually drops $5,000 to $81,990. Orders for the GT and Hellcat open on August 13th, with vehicles expected to reach dealerships in the fourth quarter of this year. RT orders will begin later in 2025. One important note for fleet customers: Dodge will continue offering the V6-powered GT for commercial applications. Orders for these fleet-specific V6 models were taken through August 13th, and some are already appearing on dealer lots. This is a fascinating development in today's automotive landscape. While many manufacturers are moving toward electrification and smaller displacement engines, Dodge is zigging while others zag, betting that there's still strong demand for traditional American muscle. What do you think about Dodge's all-V8 strategy for the Durango? Are they reading the market correctly or swimming against the current? Let us know in the comments below. That's your auto news update. I'm Henry. Keep those engines running and we'll see you next time.